Bum 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 bum. Hey guys, it's me, Ayan, on Zandan. Today I'm playing a new game with the channel. It's called Squarebird. Squarebird. If you don't know what Squarebird is, it's about it's a game about a bird. It's like a square shaped, and you got like lots of avatars. You got lots of different like floor type maps, or maybe like a map basically. So yeah, I'm just gonna get right into it. So you gotta jump, you gotta tap, and more of these come, and you gotta dodge all these things. Like, see, it killed me. Tap to restart. Yeah, no. Yeah, I'm seriously rejoining again. Oh my god, why did I go to play games? Literally, where's Squarebird? I can't find Squarebird. Really, where's Squarebird? Oh, you're in this. Stupid Squarebird. It's up in the Mooney Triangle games. Like, really? Really? Tap, 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 tap. Tap, 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 tap. What? I was tapping. Yeah, by the way, get this video to 15 likes. Like, it's gonna be awesome. Yeah, now come on. There's even a Hulk egg. I want a Hulk egg. I got it. Or is that a Frankenstein egg? You saw that, right? The tricked us into pressing an X. Is that a Hulk egg, Hulk bird, or a Frank? Oh my god, they even got Iron Man and Thanos. Wait, no, I want to select it. Really, there's like, I'm pressing, yeah, go up. Do I really have to rejoin? I have to rejoin the game. It was basically stuck. How many times will I have to rejoin the stupid game? That Astro Boy, like Omega or something. Yeah, there's no. Yeah, that's definitely Frankenstein. Oh my god. Yeah, that's Frankenstein. I'm pressing tap. I hate how this game, like, I'm pressing tap, but it's just not going. Come on, I'm not even pressing the stupid ad button. And I just get an ad. Either way, it's not fair. Sorry, guys. but I have to go. Yeah, I'm just gonna play this little match. There's something really important. Yeah, guys. I guess, guys, that's gonna be it for this video. I'm gonna be seeing you tomorrow. Just sure whatever else you on a random day. Y'all just say tomorrow. Yeah, guys, so that's gonna be it for this video. I'm gonna be seeing you tomorrow. But before you leave, subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell notifications to know when I post a new video. Follow my Instagram at March_K. Get this video to 15 likes. Subscribe and turn on the bell notifications for Crazy Kid 101, aka Shamira K, my best friend in the world, and Pokey Ibrahim, aka Mustafa K, also the best friend in my whole world. Bye.